Alright, so this is my Lab5 demo. So this code is all the same from previous labs. I'm using the UART printf function, and to do that I needed to first configure the UART. So we have the function, put it somewhere in here, there it is. Configure the UART. This is for UART 0, and then it's running it. We need to initialize the ADC. So the function is up here. Run through the functions that we needed to initialize the UART. I'm using the ADC 0, sequence 0, and I'm using pin E3. And that's all right there. So it calls the ADC initializer, and once it initializes the function, the UART's configured, enable the interrupts, ignore the lookup when I'm using it for this lab. So ignore, this is all from lab 4. It's gonna loop through these three functions. It's gonna call the process trigger, which will cause another interrupt to be called. There's gonna be a delay. I have it set to 500,000 just so that it's easy to read. And then after, whenever it goes into here, it's gonna flag your ADC int handler, which is this guy right here. Clear the interrupts, get the sequence, which is going to read a value, and then you're gonna add up the sum. I was debugging and I saw that only one value was really anything above 0. So the other 3 inputs in the array were 0, causing the average to go down by a lot. So I got rid of the divide by 4. So the average is going to be the sum. I reset the sum at the end, but it's not really necessary. Run through our equation for the voltage and for the distance, convert it to centimeters. I output the distance to the UARTs, and then turn off the LEDs, and based on whatever distance we have, it'll change into either green, yellow, or red. And after it does this, we go back down to here. There's a delay, and then the interrupts are enabled again so that another value can be called. So this is the current values in centimeters. And I am going to put my arm over it right now. It's green right now. And then as I go down, it's gonna start reading values. We're at 16, I'm gonna lower my arm. 11, 10. So I'm at 10 right now. If I go below 10, it then becomes yellow. So again, hard to kind of see, but it is yellow. And then this is between 10 and 6. If I go below 6, from then on it becomes red. And if I go down too low, then it's gonna spike and go back up to green. So gotta stay at 4 centimeters and make your way back up. And that is my lab.